Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's check how to make this delicious egg chicken fried rice today. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So I've taken 250 grams of boneless chicken, adding salt as per the taste. Next we are going to add some turmeric powder, half teaspoon. Add chili powder, half teaspoon. Add coriander powder, half teaspoon. Add some cumin powder, half teaspoon. Add pepper powder 1 by 4 teaspoon. Add curd 3 teaspoon. Lemon juice of half of a lemon. Then add ginger garlic paste. I have also added red chili there, so half teaspoon of that. Then mix it well and keep it aside for minimum 30 minutes. I've already soaked the basmati rice, 1.5 cup of basmati rice for 30 minutes. Minimum you have to soak for 30 minutes. Now bring water to a boil and then wash the rice and add it to the boiling water. After 10 to 12 minutes the rice will be getting cooked, and then you just have to strain the water, excess water. I have added a little less water. You can add a little more water so that we can strain out the excess water from here. And now we have to let it cool for at least 2 hours, otherwise it will stick to the bottom of the pan. Now add oil 5 teaspoon. Now first we will cook the chicken. I am cooking it in a medium flame, so it will be ready in 15 minutes. And once the chicken is ready, just remove it from the pan. In the same pan add more oil. Add a chopped onion, 1 chopped onion, and cook it for 2 minutes in high flame. Carrot, 1 carrot, 1 cup of cabbage chopped, and cook it again for another 2 minutes. Now add the capsicum, almost half cup, then pepper powder, again you add half teaspoon. Now we'll make a sauce mixture. Then take vinegar 2 teaspoon and soya sauce 2 teaspoon. Take chili sauce 2 teaspoon and take tomato ketchup 2 teaspoon. Now mix everything well and keep it aside. Now add salt as per your taste to the veggies. Add oil again. Now we'll make a scrambled egg. So I've taken 2 eggs, adding little bit of salt, and then making the scrambled egg. Now mix everything with all the veggies. Now add the chicken. Now start adding the rice. Now rice has been already cooled, so you can just add it and it will not stick to the pan. Now add the sauce mixture. Now give it a good mix. The flame can be low. Now add some basil leaves. You can also add some spring onions if you have. And now it is ready to serve. And it was really delicious. Definitely try the recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.